cut up, beat up hands.
Everybody.
I mean,
Pilot's how about pilot's
So
hands?
we're live, so keep the cuss words down.
well, heck.
Leather and lumber. Here we go, guys.
Me crab.
See what we got going on. I have not opened up a box of cards in close to a
There
decade.
you go. Are your hands sweaty?
I'm shaking. I'm so nervous.
Where's that box cutter at?
Jay tried to steal it.
He almost cut himself.
Let's not cut yourself on my counter, or else I will drag you outside.
Hope you have good insurance in here.
I will drag you outside, and all of my cameras are off right now.
Whoa!
They're not. That's okay. That's not seeing me drag him out, though.
It might be, though. That makes good YouTube stuff, too.
Yeah. Like, let's all run against Area 51.
There you
Good
go.
luck with that one.
Yeah, how's that going to work out?
Yeah.
I saw that you posted.
Okay. Let's see what we got in pack number 1.
Those usually open fairly easy.
Not if you haven't done it for 10 years.
You're just out of practice. We'll get you back in practice pretty
Oh,
quick.
okay.
Hey, Ryan, I got to keep these videos under 15 minutes here.
Okay.
There's only
have
4
to.
packs, dude.
Laura Robinson.
You have to be careful with these because they'll put one of one right here in the corner. They don't look any different than the regulars, so be
gotcha.
careful with those.
Okay.
I've seen it a couple times already.
Aaron Judge.
Judge.
Uh-oh, here we
Be
go.
numbered. Be numbered.
Come on, baby.
Be low numbered.
Flip it.
Oh.
It's a blank.
No, there are two.
It's jerseys.
There are two Omar
There we
Vizquel
go.
Super
Oh.
Colors.
Oh.
What you got there?
Oh, Rowdy.
Rowdy
Rowdy
Tellez.
Nice. It's cool looking on it.
I've been collecting that guy for like 7 years now, and he was like 16 or something.
Pretty cool, bud.
All right.
I'm gonna buy some penny sleeves from him too. Is that on the tawny?
Yeah.
That's
You just sold one today.
Yeah,
we
we
got
just
one.
got one out, and there's another one back in there.
Everything goes full cycle, you know that.
You want me to slide these up? You want me to slide them up?
Yeah.
So you can lay the next set out. I'll put the
Thank you.
relic up here. Here comes Vince with the penny sleeves. I'll let Vince sit.
Bitch, you must have bought a deal from Jon Snow.
How'd you know that?
His stickers close to that Jordan when I was at his house and I bought him.
His stickers.
Huh?
I did. I bought him out, but
I bought him out a while back and he kept that Jordan. He said he was
Maybe.
moving. Did he end up not moving?
I think he did move, and he told me he didn't really want to get rid of the
heavier than
Jordan. I
last
says I'm only buying you out because I want the Jordan.
He didn't want to sell it and I bought some other stuff and then I saw this stick. I saw that sitting on my TV. I was like, that was Jon Snow's. It was sitting on his wall.
You said Jon Snow, and I thought he was talking about Game of Thrones.
Wrong, Jon Snow.
I don't know Game of Thrones. I'm just trying to throw you off there.
All right, here comes the first one.
But he,
So,
I mean, these are his stickers.
yep.
Yeah, I bought. I bought a.
Some
I
Bumgarner.
don't know, about a $5,000 deal from him.
Yeah,
It's kind of glossy. It's hard to read. Wilson
Yeah.
Ramos.
3,500 because he was like, well, I'm moving. Come get the cards
That's great.
and the memorabilia. And I was
It's a
like,
gold
okay.
proof.
Did he just happen to do the show?
Yeah, he was there at the
Yeah,
show
this
doing the
Vince what that
show.
is.
There was
Don't know
two
what
guys
that
right
means
next to each other, and I bought
exactly.
both of them out.
Rivals.
Yep.
Dual patch. Who is that? Roger
Clemens.
Clemens and Miguel Cabrera.
Cabrera.
That's
That was
nice.
200.
Look at
That's
you,
not
man.
bad. That's not bad. I'll
Let me
take
flip the
that.
other one before I
I'll
show
take
it.
that.
Got an auto
I saw his
of
stickers.
Matt Barnes.
No, he stickers stuff.
Sorry, these don't have the logos on them either. They all whitewashed out.
It's Panini, yeah.
Yeah. Lumberjacks, and who'd you get there? Jose Altuve?
Yep. Trout.
Nice trout. But that one wasn't autographed.
Yeah.
I may not have let you have it.
Who's the last one? Paul Goldsmith?
Yep.
Nice job, bro.
Cardinals.
2 more boxes?
2 down, 2 to go.
Good, Vince.
Saving the
Love
best
all
for
you.
last. I know that.
Matt Barnes card's kind of cool looking though with that gold behind it.
I love how these cards look. They're awesome.
I love the way they look. That's that Goldsmith's number too. I don't know if you noticed that.
Yeah.
It's at number 2, Vince.
99.
99. Cool.
Okay.
There's the Goldsmith. Yeah, it's very small right there on the side. 70. It's right on the side right here.
Yep.
Oliver Sports.
79 and 99.
Yep. I'm gonna slide it up so it's out of the way. So you can lay 'em out.
I'll always take a look. I can tell you from the 1980s and 1990s, I'm probably not going to be interested.
Alright, killer.
Okay.
Let's get them.
Robinson's Pinot.
Yep.
Okay.
What we got here?
Spooky bets.
Yeah,
That's cool.
that's nice.
Oh, what you got there?
Yeah, I'm not going to be interested in it.
Ozzy
Vladdy.
Eagles. Oh my gosh.
Vladdy.
You got the Guerrero Jr. autograph.
Yeah,
Sweet
unfortunately,
spot.
I'm not going to be interested in that.
That's
That
gonna
is
be
pretty nice,
a winner
man.
right there.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
That's a winner.
Not really. I mean, your best bet on that's going to probably be like
Back.
eBay or Craigslist.
There's the back of it. How about that, guys? Look at that.
Nice.
Oh.
Not a bad box for your first
That's
crack.
not bad.
I think you did all right on that one.
Who's this guy?
Yeah,
What
just
do we
Guerrero
call this
Jr.
guy?
Hi.
We call this guy Mr. 91. Mr. 91. How do you hit 91 home runs and
Mullins.
Cedric
lose?
Mullins, yeah.
That's great.
You want to know how you hit 91
Awesome.
home runs and lose?
Hell
You
yeah.
suck it up in the third round. That's how you
I
do it.
think you score pretty good on
I think I'm gonna.
Guerrero.
I might be an addict.
Yeah.
I feel the rush coming.
Well, there's a commission for me, right, Vince? We're bringing him in here.
Yeah, I'll give you 10% of everything he gives me in cash.
Whoa!
Over sticker price. Especially since if we do a trade, there's gonna be no cash.
This one's
Is it
gold.
another Ozzy?
Jose
No,
Ramirez. Yeah.
But
They
do
made
ha-
some of them gold and some of them
They do have
silver
that.
down there. I
Yeah,
don't
they
know
did
what.
that.
Oh, it's 1 of 99. That's why.
Oh, you got a 0-1 too.
Yeah.
0-1s are always good.
Yeah.
All right, last one.
Nice.
I think if the last one's the best box, then I think you scored.
He shoots, he scores.
I'm just gonna leave that
I
one
did pick
sitting
this box out though.
Yeah, you did.
It's
there.
very
I allowed you to
specific.
take it.
Very specific.
See you tomorrow, Zach.
Zach, see you in the morning. What? Cheryl was here, but he was here this morning too, so I mean. He said he just didn't want to drive 3 hours today, I guess.
What do we got?
Yeah, he didn't even dig hardly. I mean, he just kind of hung out. He's probably only here maybe 2 hours.
Ricky Henderson on the back. I
Oh,
saw that.
sweet. Wish
You
that
like
was
that?
autograph. I know it was autograph. I'd be all over that one.
He's Hampton Inn out east.
Chris Bryant.
Yeah, something like that.
Chris Bryant. No numbers.
No.
It's a big old thick one.
Zay Bears.
What do you got there?
Otani.
Another Otani. That one's different than the first one. Cool.
Yep,
We'll compare
it
them later.
is. Pujols. Gold.
Who holds gold?
Gold proof.
Who's that guy?
Glad Alex
He is.
isn't here. He'd be drooling. Oh man, look how thick this card is.
It's a thicky.
What is it, like a shoe or
That's
something?
the lumber.
Piscotti.
Piscotti.
Yep.
Nice, man.
Guess I better get a thick plate for that one.
All right, here's the next one. We got another sweet
Luis
spot auto.
Ortiz.
Luis Ortiz. Know him, Vince?
No, he's a rookie.
Rookie. Abreu. Oh, that's a cool card. Lorenzo Kane. I'm still not used to seeing him in that Royals uniform. That it gets me.
I know that
Who
does.
do you got over here? Dual.
That's a
Got
Yachty.
Molina.
Yadier Molina. Yeah.
Yep. Like it. I like
Sweet,
it.
guys. Well,
Well,
not bad for your first rip. So, all right, guys. I'm out.